Moving on from our pricing menu, we'll look at the cost and income statement worksheet. And that includes our variable expenses, as you can see here, or cost of goods sold. And we describe them in this column. And then also the amount that we're going to need of them, how often we'll have to order them, and then how much we expect to spend total for each item on an annual basis. And they're all listed here, so I'll go ahead and let you look at those. But each one is a simplification, but they include all the details that are associated with those items. And the total annual amount for these variable expenses is $2,400. And we also expect to spend on our fixed costs. Some of the items are listed here, as you can see, and it's including utilities and advertising and repairs and maintenance on ovens and refrigeration. And the total fixed cost comes out to $1,600 from all of those. And then our gross sales in our first year, annually, this first year we expect to have gross sales of $12,000. And our variable and fixed costs will come out to a total of $6,600. So just overall on our operating income, it's $5,400. That's what we're expecting in our first year. So we can use that money to reinvest in our company and continue to help it grow. Kind of talked about some of these metrics already, but these are the metrics that matter to us here at Piece for Piece Pizza. And you can see that our total revenue that we expect to have in the first year, like I said, is that $12,000 in those gross sales, and about half of that is going to be spent on cost for $6,000. And then we're expecting to donate about 25% of all of our revenue to nonprofit organizations to give back to the community that we're a part of. And you can see that the orange represents monthly, the silver represents weekly, and the blue represents annually. So that's kind of a visual that you can see of the metrics that we're using. I'll go ahead and show you the chart that it's based on. So you can see here yearly, monthly, weekly sales for pizzas. That just means the amount that are sold, total revenues that come from that, the amount that it costs to have that revenue, the amount of customers that come in, and our total donation. And this is all based on our revenue per pizza. Our average we're expecting is just going to be $10 a pizza, and then our cost per pizza is just going to be $5, and so it's about half. And then our customers per pizza is 4, and our total donation, like I said, is 25%. So that's kind of a look over at our metrics, and we'll go ahead and move on with the presentation to give you a better understanding of some of the things that we're going to need to do to be successful as a company. But we appreciate you taking a look at our financials, and we know that we can be a good investment for you. Thank you.